Hi everyone, and welcome to the updated email signature tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to properly copy and paste your email signature to match the correct format into Outlook. Please note, this video is a visual tutorial on how to make edits to your email signature. In this example, we'll be using the BrightPath brand through the Outlook app on a Windows computer. Your screen may look slightly different than the one in this example. If you require assistance, please email marketing@brightpathkids.com and our team will be happy to assist. You should receive an email from the marketing team as an inline image like this. Drag your cursor across the entire signature, ensuring that it's highlighted. Right-click and press Copy. On the top left-hand corner, click New Email. A new box should pop up, and on the top of the email bar, you should see a few options, including File, Message, Insert, and other options. Click Insert and Signature underneath it. Click Signatures from the drop-down menu. An editor should pop up. Under the text editor, remove your current signature from the box, then right-click and paste. Make sure you click the first paste option to keep the format. Double-check to ensure the email signature follows this format: your name and Calibri size 14, your position and office information in size 11, and font color is in black, text lighter 15%. Click OK when you finish editing. It's important to keep the font size, color, and type the same. Please don't change the font type, add emojis, change capitalization, resize icons, add color, or underline, bold, or italicize the copy. Although you may think changing the color or font might look more visually pleasing, these different font types and colors may not be legible for others. Feel free to pause this slide to reference how the email signature should look like. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please email marketing@brightpathkids.com.